Welcome to the third and final module. This is the Assess module, and it comprises of the elective, which is TAE ASS 301A, Contribute to Assessment, two of the core assessment modules, which is the second one in the series, Assess Competence, and the third one in the core, which is Participate in Assessment Validation. You've done the first core competency one in our earlier design module, and that was plan assessment activities and processes. So now that you're getting pretty good at downloading the units, it would be a great idea if you had a bit of a peek in each of these units and went and had a look at their critical aspects in the evidence guide, because you'll now understand how we're building our objectives. So as an introduction, you would see from the critical aspects that within that elective that contribute to assessment, you needed to have gathered on 3 different occasions, 3 different evidence gathering activities. So that's what we will definitely be doing during your webcast. In the module Assess Competence, we needed to have had 2 full assessment reports done, where you're assessing, where you're recording the findings, making the decision on competency, and reporting and recording in the assessment report. And one of those has to include a recognised prior learning. So we'll make sure we'll be doing that during the webcast. And finally, the third unit is Participate in Assessment Validation. Now that is fine that can be guided by a supervising assessor, and you'll have an assessor there to guide you through that process because you're participating. You're an entry-level trainer and assessor, and that will be quite a smooth process. The beauty of validation is there's documents there that you just have to follow through and answer the questions. So the 2 validation exercises we'll be doing will be validating the training and assessment strategy, the current strategy. So we'll download that document, and that will also help you get a very good understanding for any time that you're involved in designing with your RTO your own training and assessment strategy for a particular course that you're delivering. So, it serves 2 purposes there. Also, you'll be validating our first module, so we'll be looking at the whole assessment process of the design module, which was in week 1. So that's the one you're the most familiar with, and that will give you a chance to work through as assessors the assessment checklist there.